Hi, we will see probability. We'll see basic concept of probability today. Now, probability is a study of events which have more than one outcomes. So, if there is an event where there are more than one possible outcomes, and the outcomes are equally likely, and the outcome is random. So, in that case, you can apply the rules of probability. So if your outcome is firm, it can be predicted in advance, then you cannot apply probability. So for example, A is the event, okay, whose outcome uh, is uh, is favorable. Favorable means desirable. So let us call A be the event that you want the outcome to be. So S you can call as sample space. S is a set and it includes all possible outcomes. So A include favorable outcomes, S include all possible outcomes. So now we'll see basic definition of probability, fundamental definition of probability. So the definition is P of A. A is the favorable event or event whose outcome is favorable is number of A divided by number of sample space S. So this formula that you see is the basic formula for probability. Say let's take an example. Say you want to find the probability. Probability is the study of chance. So you want to find the probability of getting uh, a head when a coin or unbiased coin is tossed. So we'll apply rules of probability in this. Now there are two possibilities. When you toss a coin, you get either a head or a tail. So sample space includes all possible outcomes, which are head and tail. Okay, so n of s is 2. Sample space S has two elements, that is H and T. A is a set of favorable outcomes, and say that is H. We want head to appear. So n of A is 1. So now we can apply the rule of probability, that is P of A is n of A upon n of S. So as you can see, it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. So there is a 50% chance that you will get a head when you toss a coin. So let's take another example to study the rule of probability. Say you want the probability to get two heads when either two coins are tossed or one coin is tossed twice. So now we will write sample space and set of favorable outcomes. Sample space here includes two coins, so we can get HH, head and tail, tail and head, and tail and tail, and A is the favorable outcome. So n of s is 4, as you can see. A will include HH because what we want is two heads. Two heads is one of the four outcomes. So n of A is 1, HH together is one element. So now simply apply the rule of probability. So P of A is n of A upon n of S. As you can see, it is 1 by 4. So that is 25% chance that you get two heads when you toss two coins. That is the conclusion of this problem. So now I will take one more problem. to understand the basic rule of probability. Say now this time you want the probability of getting a sum is total, sum of 8 when two dice are thrown or two dice are rolled. The dice have to be unbiased without any cheating. So when you have two dice, one die has number 1 to 6. So n of s, instead of writing the whole set, you can write simply n of s as 36. There are 36 possible outcomes. In A set includes all those cases where the sum is 8. Okay, the sum of the front face of both the dice together is required to be 8. So 2 and 6, that is 2 plus 6, 8. And then 3 and 5 and 4 and 4 and 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is different than 3 and 5. And then again 6 and 2. So as you can count, n of a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. So now you have n of a and n of s, so you can apply probability rule. So p of a is n of a upon n of s. So that is 5 upon 36. So probability for probabilistic events will always be between 0 and 1. So take one more example. Find probability of getting a spade card, a playing card, when you draw a card from a pack of cards. So pack of cards in probability studies has 52 cards. Okay, where in real cards we have 54 cards. Two jokers are not to be included in probability studies. So we can directly write that n of s is 52. So there are 52 cards which you can get, and n of a one pack has 13 spade cards. Spade is a pattern. Okay, there are two colors, red and black, 4 patterns: spade, club, heart and diamond. So probability is n of a upon n of s, that is 13 over 52. So if you want, you can reduce it to 1 by 4. So pack of card has 2 colors, 4 patterns, 3 into 4, 12 picture cards, and 10 into 4, 40 number cards. Number cards are from ace to 10, and picture cards are jack, queen, and king. So each pattern has 3 picture cards, so 4 patterns, 3 into 4, 12. So you have 12 picture cards. Here the question was to get a spade card. Spade is a pattern, and each pattern has 13 cards. So we got the answer is 13 over 52. So now we can take a last sum to conclude our study of probabilities. So find probability of getting a picture card when a card is drawn from a pack of cards. So as usual, you can write n of s you can write n of s as 52 because a pack of card has 52 cards. The sample space include 52 cards, and your favorable outcome is to get a picture card. So there are 12 picture cards, 3 of one pattern and 4 patterns. So 3 fours are 12. So write 12. And then probability is n of a over n of s. So that is 12 over 52. So hope you liked this basic concept video of probabilities. Thank you.